Okay, Lynn, let's do this, okay? I have here 3 pictures. This is the picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, and picture 4. Lynn, I want you to make a story telling to me what is happening in each picture, okay? Let's do first picture number 1. What's in picture 1, Lynn?
So once the girls and the boys play cookies. The girls wearing a white dress and the boys wearing a blue t-shirts and red shorts is fishing.
L. That's all?
It's on the river.
Okay. Now look at here in the first picture. So how many people can you see in the first picture, Lynn?
There are 4 people.
Okay, and what are they doing?
And cooking and fishing.
Okay, they are cooking and fishing. Next, in the second picture, what happened now in the second picture?
There are 4 people. There
And what happened to the 4 people? They are?
They, they are fishing and cooking. One girl is one girl is on little girl.
Okay. Now here, look at here in the second picture. As you can see, I have here this 2 people still cooking, while the other one, the man fishing. Look at that. What is the man doing? Pulling the strings. Can you see it? He's pulling it. And look at the girl, the small girl. What is the small girl doing?
And was it on days.
Okay. Asking for help. Why do you think the small girl is asking for help, Lynn? Why do you think the girl needs help or asks for help? Because
Because
why the girl asks for help?
was the boys were the boys practice fishing a school.
Okay. All right. Because look at the boy. The boy is about to get something and the boy thinks that it's very hard to get. How about here in the third picture? What did the boy got from fishing?
The the
It,
boy was the boy was a shoes was fishing.
okay, the boy got a shoe. And look at that. How about look at picture 4? What is inside the shoe of the boy?
This is the boys is is uh, is many fish.
Okay, there's fishes inside the shoe. Okay, great word. Okay, so here we go, Lynn. Let's do this. Let's try to find the differences here in these 2 pictures. Okay, so wait me first. Lynn, can you encircle the differences or the different picture in each set? Can you encircle first? Go.
Which one is
How about in the first picture, Lynn? Okay, there you go. Lynn, can you tell me first, what are the pictures in the first set? What's the first one?
It's potato.
Okay, first here is banana. Can you see the banana? Next. How about second picture?
It's the case.
Cake. Next. Third.
It's a pineapple.
Pineapple and
It's
the fourth.
tomato.
Okay, is it tomato?
It's a
It's an, what is that? That is an, what is this?
it's, um,
What fruit is that?
tomato.
It's an orange. What is this? This is an,
It's an orange.
okay, so we have banana, cake, pineapple, orange. So what is the difference there?
It's the total difference.
Okay, that cake is different. Let's check. Very good. Why cake is different, Lynn?
It's it's in a canvas.
Because?
Because
How about look at the other one, the other pictures. What are these pictures? The other pictures are fruits. Again.
those
And
is
cake is it a fruit?
This is done up first.
Okay, it's not a fruit. Correct. Now here, let's do first the second picture. What is the first one? What's this first picture?
It's helicopter.
Helicopter. Second,
It's monkey.
monkey. Third,
It's a bird.
okay, a bird. And the fourth one is?
Plane.
Okay, a plane. Now here, let's check the answer. Very good. Lynn, why do you think monkey is different?
One monkeys can fly.
Okay.
The total can fly.
All right, because monkey cannot fly, while the others can fly. Very good. Next, Lynn. How about picture 3? What's in the third picture?
It's a cupboard.
Okay, cupboard. Next.
It's the chair.
Chair. Next.
It's sofa.
Okay, sofa and
Armchair.
armchair. Which one is different, Lynn? It's the?
It's a one.
Okay. Why the cupboard is different?
Because cupboard is
Why cupboard is different? It's because?
was no and this house and this is chair.
Okay. Because here, the chair, the sofa, and the armchair can be seated. They are used to sit. Well, the cupboard, what's the use of the cupboard lid? What is the cupboard for? Cupboard is for?
Was
Cupboard is for?
was
What's the cupboard for? It is used for? What do we put in the cupboard, Lynn?
Others can
Okay, we put other things. We can even put um we can even put our clothes inside the cupboard, right? Okay, next. How about here in the third one? What's in the first picture?
There's like miss the ball.
Okay. Next, picture 2.
The live cat.
What is that? Flying a?
Flying a cat.
Next, picture 3.
They do homework.
Okay. Doing homework. And picture 4,
They spring it.
playing games. Now there. Which one do you think is different, Lynn?
Nothing to show.
Why picture 2?
Because there's just was the
Again?
there's run.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, look up there, Lynn. The correct answer in the fourth picture is picture 3. Oh, it's not picture 2. Lynn, I want you to look at the pictures properly. Why do you think picture 3 is different?
Because the tree is doing homework.
Okay, doing
The
homework.
picture is
The other
playing.
pictures are?
The picture are playing.
Playing. See? So that makes it different. Okay, now Lynn, do you now understand the differences about the differences that we find in those pictures? You understand? Okay, good. Now here we still have 5 more minutes left. Let's use the 5 more minutes in learning about vocabulary words. Okay? So what is Unit 13 all about, Lynn? It's
Different
about, okay, different homes. Okay, before that, Lynn, I have here vocabulary words. What are the given words? We have
door,
door. Next.
lives,
Okay, lives. Next.
tree.
Tree. Do you understand these words?
Yes.
Okay, good job. Okay, next. How about these words? What are these words?
Wall,
Okay, wall. Next.
roof,
Okay, roof and
chimney.
chimney. Do you understand these words?
Yes.
Okay, correct. And how about these words? What are these? We have
Window,
window. Next.
basement,
Again, basement
basement,
and
balcony.
okay, do you know these words?
Yes.
Okay, great. Next one. How about this? What are these words, Lynn? We have,
Star,
okay, stair. Next.
mat,
Okay, mat and
grass.
grass. Correct. We have here stair, mat, and grass. Perfect. Okay. So here we go. Do we still have more time? Okay. So here, Lynn, can you draw lines to where are the following words? We have there the door. Next, where is the lips? Draw lines to where's the lips. Next, trees. Wall, where's the wall in the picture? Roof, where's the roof? Next, chimney. Okay. Window, basement. Fun. Where's the basement, the balcony, the stairs, the mat, and the grass?
Dropping this.
Okay, let's check now.
Yes.
Okay, we have here the following. Oh, look at there, Lynn. The leaves is there on the tree. Tree is correct. Wall is correct. Roof is correct. Chimney is correct. Window, correct. Basement, correct. Balcony, correct. Stair is correct. Mat, correct. And grass is correct. I think, oh wait, Lynn, I will accept your leaves because your answer or the leaves that you've answered here are the fallen leaves, right? Leaves from the trees, right? The one that the man is whipping are example of dry leaves. Okay, Lynn? So you did great in here. You got perfect because you were able to find the given words. Okay? So Lynn, that would be all for today. It's already time. So in the next meeting, let's try to continue this unit 13. Okay? Okay. Bye-bye, Lynn. Goodbye. Goodbye.